Robin doesn't know this, but Robin sold me my first property way back in 2003. It was an off-the-plan purchase, and the conditions were a little bit different back then. I ran down the street to an ATM, drew $500 out of a credit card, rang back and signed up my offer and acceptance, and hoped like hell for the next 18 months that I was able to find the finance to purchase the property once it was completed. I'm telling you now that I promised that my advice tonight will be far more intellectual and researched than that strategy that I chose way back in 2003. Firstly, before I go into the two strategies that I would like to talk about to invest in property, I'd actually like to talk about the observations that I have of the evolution of the finance industry over the last 20 years. 19 years ago, I joined the Commonwealth Bank. And the Commonwealth Bank, along with the other major institutions in the finance industry, did not allow their products to be sold through the mortgage broking industry. In fact, they chose to not do that because they believed at the time that mortgage broking was the minority in the finance industry, and at the time they were only submitting less than 20% of all home loan applications in Australia. Mortgage brokers in 2015 are going to submit about 50% of home loan applications for Australians this year, and it's predicted that they will submit around 65 to 70% of all applications by 2020. Financial institutions like the Commonwealth Bank are no longer investing in personal lenders in their branches. They're actually investing in relationships with mortgage brokers throughout Australia, and they are allowing their products more and more to be available to us to offer to the public of Australia. The other observation I have is that 19 years ago, the Commonwealth Bank was one of the pillars of the Big Four. And besides them, there was only a handful of financial institutions, banks and building societies that allowed you to obtain finance from them. As at April 2015, there is 167 different financial institutions registered with APRA. Those institutions have on average around 4 home loan products each, which means next time you go to choose a financial product in order to help you purchase a property, you'll have about 660 products that you'll have at your beck and call to choose from. You as the consumer have driven choice in our industry, but that drive for choice and that desire for choice has led to a very, very noisy industry for you to choose from in relation to options for finance. The job of myself and my team tonight is to cut through that noise and to give you 2 simple solutions that will help you purchase an investment property and hopefully make your property dreams become a reality.